People are earning a lot of money by doing YouTube automation. And the special thing in this is that very few people know about it. And those who know this are making courses worth lakhs of rupees and selling them. You must have seen that whenever a big YouTuber posts his video, YouTube sends him for Sujan. All this happens through YouTube automation. Here I give one more example. Whenever you make a new YouTube channel, views do not come on it. Or they come very rarely, no matter how good your content is. This happens because you do not even know about YouTube automation. In this video you will get complete information that how to start YouTube channel, what is YouTube automation cash cow channel. I will tell you 3 such categories on which you can make videos. And what are the 3 mistakes that people do. Step 1. What is YouTube automation? To say in simple language, it is called keyword research. Earlier it was called cash cow. It is used more in foreign countries. Which keyword is running in real-time rank using YouTube automation in social media? Videos are made according to that keyword. You must have heard about many SEO or keyword research, all that comes in YouTube automation only. So you now know what is YouTube automation. Now we know how to use YouTube automation. Step 2. Now we know how to use YouTube automation, which our video came in YouTube suggestion. You can earn good money by making YouTube automation. You do not need to do anything extra in this. All you have to do is hire one person. You can also catch them from freelancer, or you can take your friend who has some knowledge about it. Step 1. In this you don't have such a person who knows how to write script. In step 2, such a person is not caught who knows voiceover. In step 3 you have to take an editor. What will happen with them? Your content will be well prepared, and this is our last main point. Step 4. Thumbnail. Thumbnail should also be like this, in which there is no complete information. The person in front should click on your video. It should be something like this. When that person comes in your video, then your script and voiceover editing will work. In starting you have to keep some such points, the front of which will remain in your video till the end. All these steps are there to create any cash cow channel or to start a new YouTube channel. It will cost you a lot to do all this. If you get all these works done by the people of India, then the cost will be less. Or if you do this work with outside people, then your video of 5 to 7 minutes will be ready between 1000 to 1500. And by doing this you make 3 to 4 videos a month. So it will cost you 5 to 6000. And if even one of these videos is played, then all your expenses will be recovered from the same video. Now, as you were told in the beginning of the video, we'll tell you about 3 such niches on which you can earn good money by creating a YouTube channel. And I will also tell you some such points which you should not do. Comes on first number, relaxing music. Friends, you can make a relaxing music YouTube channel. You too must have heard such relaxing music many times. There will be one-time investment in this too, and your video will continue to play on social media. Next comes the luxury lifestyle video. Such videos also play more. In this you can show expensive cars, houses and many more. People from foreign countries like it very much. If you do not have money or cannot buy people, then you can do all this work by yourself with the help of Google footage video. And our last niche's channel is history channel. You must have seen many channels on YouTube who make videos on history. You can also make some videos like this. We have done research on all these topics. There is more growth in this too. Now we know about some of the mistakes that people make while making videos. You don't do that. Comes on the first number. Short time goals. People come with short time goals. They want results immediately in 1 to 2 months. You don't do that. The second number comes, if the script is not right, you have to write or get such a script written so that people like your video and do not run away leaving the video immediately. According to keyword research, it is very important not to have content. You should know what is going on in the market, which keyword is getting more views. Using all these points, you can make a good video for yourself. Can create. What other topic do you want video on? Me comment and tell me. I will make such a free video. And AI tools, give your love to this channel and subscribe to the channel.